Tammy here. I am so excited. I got something fun for us to do in a little bit, but we got some fun stuff to do up here. We're going to do the calendar, we're going to do our alphabet, colors and shapes, and then I have a cool ocean science project for you guys. So I hope you're ready, since we're talking about the ocean. And I'm going to give you guys a secret. My favorite ocean animal, I know some of you out there might know, it is one that likes to jump up high out of the water. And if you go to their show at the zoo, you might get wet. It's dolphins. I like dolphins. There's so many cool things in the ocean. There's jellyfish, there's stingrays, there's sharks, dolphins, whales, you name it, right? So I got something cool to show you guys, okay? But first, let's get our calendar done, and then we'll do our ABCs and our numbers, and then colors and shapes. Cool beans? All right. Do you guys remember what month we're in? We're in the month of July. And last weekend, a few days ago, we celebrated the 4th of July, and then the last couple days, it's been super wet outside. Oh, super hot. You can tell I just came in from outside. That's when my cheeks are so red. You have to be careful outside, right, when it's this hot, because it could make us not feel too well. And it's supposed to be super duper hot. So, we are in the middle of our week. Do you guys remember what the middle of the week is? We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Good job. Then there's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And do you know what number comes after this? Do you know what this number is? Should we count? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So today is Wednesday, July 8th. And do you remember what that year was? 2020. Good job. All right, let's do our colors. Today I have this color shirt on. What color is this? Black. What color are my shoes? White. What color is the pointer? Red. Good job. And then what color is a lime? A lime is green, right? And makes us go. And what color is a lemon? It's yellow. Good job. And the water in an ocean is blue. Good job. And this color is pink, purple, and then brown, and then orange. Good job. All right, let's do our shapes. So what is a shape that we see up in the sky at nighttime? Star. This is a diamond. What else can we do with a diamond on a windy day? That's usually the shape of a kite. Good job. This guy, he's got 2 short sides and then 2 long sides. Rectangle. This is a triangle, and then what has 4 of the same sides? A square. This guy is our heart. This is an oval, and that is a circle. And what is the sign that's over there that tells mom and dads to stop? And it's red, and you see it on the side of the street. It's an octagon, and it's an octagon because it has 8 sides. And there's an ocean animal that lives in the ocean that has 8 long legs. And octopus. Good job. All right, so let me make sure we got our CD in there. All right, you ready for our ABCs? Then we'll do some numbers. Yeah. A, B, C, D, in. Are you ready? I think you are, right? All right, ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job. All right, so are we ready to do our numbers? Should we start with 10 and count down? Want to do that today? All right. So here's our 10. These are 10 dots. Then we have 9, and then 8, and then 7, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, so now why don't you come and join me, and we're gonna do our science project, okay? All right, I'll see you in 1 second. Hi, boys and girls. I'm glad you joined me for our cool science experiment. So, I already made this little bottle, and do you guys know what this is? On the bottom, I have water that I put some blue food coloring in, so it started out just like this. Then I put a few drops of blue food coloring, and then you're also gonna need to get some oil. You can use baby oil, canola oil. This is what I had, so I'm using this oil. And that's what's on top that kind of looks like yellowish. See how that looks yellow and the water looks white? So I made the blue water, then we poured oil on the top. Now you'll think, why is that oil sitting on the top? And do you know why? There's a thing in oil and in the water, they're called molecules. Molecules of the oil only stay with the oil, and molecules of the water only stay with the water. And the oil is what they call, it's less dense, so that's why it floats on the top. But do you see how that water is moving around in the oil, and you see how it moves? Do you know what that's gonna look like if we turn it to the side? It's gonna look like the waves of an ocean. Isn't that cool? So you can have the waves of an ocean in a bottle. Pretty cool. Moms and dads, you might want to get either a glue gun or a craft glue and glue the top so that this can't come undone once they make this. I did not do that on mine because I just made mine, and this one's open so that I can pour the oil in. So that's just a little trick. So you can move it like this and you'll see how the waves are crashing, or you can go to the side and see how that's moving around. All right, so you ready to make your own? So we have our water in. Now, depending how dark you want your water is how many drops. I put, I think, 3 drops in this, and I'm thinking it's a little too dark, so I'm gonna try 1 dot of blue, and then we'll see how that works, okay? So you gotta be careful with this, okay? So we're just gonna do 1 big drop. All right, let's see if we like that color. So you could put your lid back on and just mix that up. Maybe a little darker. Wanna go a little darker? All right. Oh, I gotta take the top off first. Silly Miss Tammy. All right, we're gonna put another big drop in there. Boop. All right, let's see how that looks now. Oh. All right. I think I like that color now. See how that's lighter and then that's darker, all right? So I filled my bottle of water a little more than half. And now I'm gonna carefully pour this in. If you have a funnel at home, kids, you can ask moms and dads, they know what that is. They can give you a funnel to pour it in. So I'm gonna be very careful so I don't spill it. And I'm gonna fill about up to here with oil, okay? So about a third. All right, and see how it goes in there? And it's gonna all come and float to the top. Isn't that cool? And now with these colors kind of mixing together, it kind of looks like the colors of the ocean, right? They're bluish green sometimes, right? All right, so now we're gonna put this on the top. All right, and we see we got our ocean. And see, we got the waves of the ocean in our bottle. You can add some blue glitter if you want. If you had a bigger opening on your bottle, you can try to stick a fish in there and the fish can swim around, and you could do pretty much anything. So if you had some blue glitter or green glitter with the blue, you can put it in there, and now you can have a cool ocean wave in a bottle. Cool beans? All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I know I did, okay? So on the count of 3, we're gonna do our air high 5, all right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boop. All right, until next time, boys and girls, see you later. Bye-bye.